What's the hidden challenge of including a house in a living trust, and why does it catch so many people off guard? Welcome. Every day, I break down personal finance questions asked on Stack Exchange, highlight the community's best answers, and sprinkle in some actionable takeaways. If you're into learning a little more about money each day, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Now let's dig into today's question. Today, we're exploring a common question. What happens with a house in a living trust? Here's the original question as it was posted to Stack Exchange. I'm going to scroll through it quickly so you can see the whole question, but feel free to pause the video if you want more time to read it. Don't worry. After this, I'll walk you through the key points of the question so you get the big picture. To sum it up, a person finds themselves in a tricky family situation. Their grandmother's house was left to their mom and her 3 siblings. After one uncle passed away, the ownership is now split between the mom, a living uncle, and an aunt. The aunt, who doesn't live in or pay for the house, wants to charge rent to one brother and keep the money, which has everyone wondering if that's even legal. Here's the top-rated answer from the community on Stack Exchange. I'll scroll through it quickly so you can see the full answer. Feel free to pause the video if you want more time to read it. Don't worry, I'll highlight the key points of this answer in just a few moments. In this answer, it's explained that since the mother and uncle are on the deed, they can let the brother live rent-free without needing a rental agreement. However, property taxes still need to be paid to prevent issues. A suggested solution is buying out the third sister's share to avoid rent disputes and maintenance hassles. Now, before we jump into the next part, if this video has been helpful so far, be sure to tap the like button and subscribe to the channel. We post new personal finance videos every day to help you make smarter money moves. Alright, now that we've seen what the community had to say, here's our take on this question. It's important for family members to openly discuss property rights and responsibilities. Having a family meeting can help tackle issues like rent and maintenance. Seeking legal advice from an estate attorney can provide clarity on rights and obligations. If disagreements continue, buying out a co-owner might be a practical solution to simplify ownership. So in this video, we've covered how discussing property rights and responsibilities openly with family can prevent misunderstandings. Legal advice helps clarify these rights, while buying out a co-owner can simplify matters. Plus, a family meeting can address rent, maintenance, and contributions. Thanks for watching. Before you go, did you learn something new from this video? If so, be sure to drop a like on the video to let us know.